Hello YouTube, or should I say Tsaravets, and welcome to my very first travel vlog. So we are in Veliko Tarnovo, or we're just outside at the moment, but we're visiting the beautiful town today for the national holidays. There's going to be a lot of festivities, a lot of celebrations, so I thought this would be the perfect way to kick off my travel vlog. So I'm currently in a place called Arbanasi, and just behind me is the Veliko Tarnovo town centre. We're going to be heading there very shortly. But as you can see, it's an amazing day. I'm going to quickly show you guys, pan round. We're in a very, very nice place right now. This is like I can't remember the name of the hotel, but it's like a spa kind of hotel. But yeah, there's a lot going on today. As I said, today is the Bulgaria national holiday for independence. Well, it's actually tomorrow, but the celebrations are today. So 8 PM today, there's going to be like a light show. There's a lot of kind of things going on in the town centre, a lot of arts and crafts sort of stalls set up. The places are open a lot later, but you will see how busy the town is. But yeah, we're going to explore. I think we're going to a castle today as well, and I'll tell you a bit more about that and the history. Let's go. So with the Bulgarian national holiday being tomorrow and the celebrations being today, one issue we're having is there are no taxis available at all. So luckily we're with Marina's friends, and she's going to be driving. She didn't want to drive. It's a very, very important day for Bulgaria. How do you say happy holidays, or, you know?
Честит празник, българи.
Честит празник, българи. But yeah, we're heading into the town now, and let's see what it's all about. So while we're on the way, I thought I'd take a minute to explain about the Independence Day, why the Independence Day exists. And Marina explained to me, she's right next to me, but basically Bulgaria was under Ottoman Empire rule for a long, long time, and subject to slavery and subject to really brutal, not nice things. And in 1908, Bulgaria gained independence from the Ottoman Empire and became independent. So of course, every year from then, there's been massive celebrations to celebrate, you know, the freedom and the independence. And you know, Bulgaria is one of many nations that have been through travesty and issues and brutality to get to where the country is now, you know. So it really is a big deal for the people of Bulgaria. So yeah, today is going to be a massive, massive celebration, and I'm very much looking forward to my first Bulgarian Independence Day actually here, because obviously, you know, with me and Marina, we've been in the UK for many years, so I've not got a chance to celebrate in the true style, you know, how people celebrate. So how do you say happy holidays again?
Честит празник, българи.
Честит празник, Bulgarian. Okay, so the first stop in Veliko Tarnovo is Tsaravets, which is a castle, and a king lived here. This is the layout right here. So we're going to go and explore Tsaravets. Okay, so we're just heading to the entrance of the Tsaravets Fortress, and I just wanted to give you a quick background about the history of the fortress. So the fortress was actually constructed for the Second Bulgarian Empire, before the Ottoman ruling took over. So this is a very, very historic piece of Bulgaria and Veliko Tarnovo. I'm going to turn around now and show you guys the view. So the town and the houses are just behind us. The fortress is just here, and we're going to hike up now to the top. But yeah, my beautiful Marina's here as well. And yeah, let's go explore. Look at this place, man. Okay, so we're just going into the tower now. It's very busy, so we're gonna wait a minute. Okay, so we're just climbing up the tower now. Look at the view. Ready? Here we go. Here we go. Oh. Okay. We made it to the top of the tower. Wow, it's very busy though. Very, very busy. Okay, we're going to the top finally. Oh, look at these stairs. We just had a bit of an issue because it's so busy here and people were just like arguing because we're trying to get past, but we made it. So this is one of the towers. I'm assuming this would have been kind of where the guards kind of are posted, you know. So if there's anyone here, that will be, you know, stationed here. And look at the view here, unreal. So.
That's exactly.
You sure?
Yeah.
This one is. Okay. So in the tower, this would have been where the beheadings took place. If you mess around, chop off. Take pictures of. Look how difficult it is to go down these stairs, man. Okay.
Smile.
We have made it to the top. Now you may have noticed the quality of my audio has slightly changed. It's because I had my microphones, but I've taken them off because every single time I need to do a video, I had to set the microphone up and then put it on. As we're walking, it's just too much hassle. So this is the new audio. But yeah, we've made it to the top of Tsaravets. And the church, yeah, the church. We're now at the church, so we're gonna go inside. I don't know if I can record it because obviously it's a church, but I will try my best. Guys, you are not gonna believe this. This is crazy. 1 minute. So we wanted to go to the top of the tower, right? The lift is out of order. So we thought, okay, let's get some stairs because there's some people up here. You can't see them right now, but I promise you, there's some people up here. They are stuck at the top. And currently, they have no way to get down. So there are some stairs, but the problem is the stairs aren't available to access. So I think somebody has to somehow go up and open for them to get down. So until that happens, they're stuck. Imagine this being your first time here. You know, you have a great day planned and you end up getting stuck. I would be pissed. Oh my God. Now in the church, the graphics on the walls is basically a representation of the things that were happening during the you know, Ottoman Empire, things, you know, brutal things that were happening to ladies and just historic events captured in picture, you know. And it was amazing to see. Like, I didn't really, until you understand the context of what the pictures are and what they represent, you don't really kind of take in the full spectrum of how much effort's put into the place, you know, because I believe it was repainted, wasn't it?
I think so, it looks new.
So it's been repainted, I think. I'm gonna say, I don't even know when. I'd be lying if I said, but yeah, it's been repainted at some point, just to represent the kind of events that happened. But yeah, amazing experience. Okay, so we're now heading to the main entrance of the castle. The thing with these places, like castles and other places, is like there's so much to explore. It's almost overwhelming, isn't it? Like,
Yeah, it's a lot. I don't think we can cover it. We need hours and hours to check everything.
so I think we're just gonna show like the key kind of places, like this is the main kind of area of the castle. So we're gonna head in there now. I'm not sure what to expect, to be honest, but let's see. So we're now in the castle itself. You can't really see much, it's pitch black, but let's take a walk and see. And here we go. This is the main part of the castle. So these are like remnants of houses, of, you know, possibly shops. Obviously it's all been sort of knocked down, you know, way since then, but these are kind of the remains of what it was. So this tower right here is where they threw people off. People who misbehaved, naughty people. They would take them here and throw them off the edge to their demise. Views on views on views in this place. Wow, look at this. So we're now in the old town of Veliko Tarnovo. There's a lot more kind of shops here and it's a bit more kind of residential. So the fortress is just back here. You then walk up the old town and keep walking, and then you'll enter kind of the main Veliko Tarnovo. As I said, there's a lot going on today in the town. There's a lot of kind of stalls set up and a lot of things that wouldn't normally be there. The places are open a lot later compared to normal. Yeah, tonight is going to be a very, very exciting night. I'm really looking forward to it. But yeah, I think first we're going to get something to eat now. I'm not sure what, because every single restaurant seems to be full. Then we're going to go home, freshen up a little bit, and then probably head out for the show. I love the artwork on some of the buildings. Like I remember like Plovdiv has very similar to this sort of style. And the building is just here. Look. Okay, we're just entering the main kind of market stalls. I'm going to show you guys a few bits, but it's very, very busy. We came here last night and it was just so busy, but look, some of the foods here, some of the things here. They've got like honey, fresh foods, some soaps. It's like kind of like handcrafted kind of stalls. But yeah, very busy. As you can see guys, it is very, very busy. So I can't really record too much here, but as I said, here's kind of the shops and yeah, it's a nice atmosphere. Like even though it's busy, people are still very kind of mindful and friendly. Nobody's barging into each other. So, you know, I can still record, but it's not ideal. Good food, we're about to eat. Okay, so we just ate some food and I had some sujuk, some pork steak and homemade Hotnitsa with some chips. So nice and full now. As I said, the restaurants are so busy, like you have to book for the national holiday, you have to book the restaurants way in advance. There's no way we're getting anywhere, but they do have a lot of street food. So just ate, we're gonna head back now to the hotel, go in the pool for a bit and then get ready for tonight's show. So we're actually staying in an area called Arbanasi. So it's about 10 minutes from Veliko Tarnovo. But it made sense to stay here and not in the city, in the main town, because it was so busy in the town and the rooms were so expensive. So we're staying at a hotel called Tsaravets Tower, which is, yeah, it's about 10 minutes from Veliko Tarnovo. So we're gonna go home now, relax, and spend some time chilling. This was supposed to be a therapeutic experience, but the water is freezing cold. Oh my god, it's like an ice bath. Woo. This is the life, man. Sun, pool, spa. If only life could be like this every day. Okay, so the plan is we're gonna relax in the pool for another hour. We're gonna eat some food, have a couple of drinks, and then we're gonna go to the light show at, what's it called again? Tsaravets. Tsaravets. So it's going to be a great evening. This is really the main reason we came for the light show and the national holidays.
He's a bit pissed off.
March! Go on! March!
Праздник.
Праздник.
Whoa. Okay, so the show is now finished. We could not find anywhere to eat. We could not find any taxis. So we're now currently stuck in the square pretty much until we can get a taxi. I have a chicken skewer with some chips and I'm gonna try pig ear for the very first time. Tune into my TikTok if you wanna see me try pig ear. Okay, so we are staying at a place called Tsaravets Tower. I think I said that right, in Arbanasi, which is just outside of Veliko Tarnovo. Room is 3206. Obviously, we're gone by the time this vlog is up. I'm going to show you the room. So this is the room. So as you walk in, of course, toilet, shower. This shower is pretty cool because it's got like a different type of door, you know, like the aesthetics of it is quite cool. Obviously, got the mirror. One thing I would say, weirdly, it's got music in the toilet. Moving on, so a bit of storage there for our stuff. So we only had the twin beds, but they put them together luckily. So yeah, this is it. It's not bad, not bad. We were so lucky to get this room. This was the last room remaining and the entire town was fully booked. Obviously because of the, you know, festivities and celebrations, a lot of people were staying here. There were some kind of famous people in Bulgaria staying here, politicians also staying here, because it's like an entire resort. I'll show you guys actually. So as I decided to come out and show you guys, it's the busiest time, weirdly, but we are staying here. So this is the main kind of hotel bit. However, down here, there's an entire complex. So it goes all the way down the road, all the way down the other side as well. But yeah, we were so lucky to get this room. This was literally the last room in the complex. So today we are going to a waterfall. The place we stayed comes with a fantastic balcony view. And the good thing is it's quiet. There's no one here apart from us. Look at this. I could probably shout and no one can hear me. No one can see me. Zdrasti! Okay, we just arrived to the Hotnitsa Waterfall and I'm going to turn around in a minute and show you guys the view. I'm just rushing there now, but look at this. So this is just outside of Veliko Tarnovo. It's about 20 minutes away. Amazing.
Let's see what's next.
Come on in.
It says it's dangerous and going up is at your own risk.
Good luck.
Good luck.
Oh man. Okay, here we go. Jeez. Man, this is steep. Jeez. Maybe I shouldn't have done that whilst recording, but we got there. Oh man.
Slippery ones. And they say to be careful about this.
Slippery stairs. Okay.
David, there's more.
Let's go.
Yeah, there's more. There's more that way. Take a video here.
Yeah.
Look at the video here.
Wow. Okay. You want to do portrait one quick?
Yeah.
And I'll do landscape. Oh,
Do you want me to do?
pause.
Do you want me to do it just to film it or a view? If you want.
Yeah, if you can. Yeah, great. Thanks. Wow. Look at this place, man.
Hello.
Look, the rails all made from tree. Okay, I'm gonna try and jump this gap. How does it look big on the camera?
Yeah,
Because it's a big gap.
I think so.
We made it to the top. Look at the view. One thing about Bulgaria is the country is not short of views, that's for sure. And we made it to the bottom. I didn't record as much as I wanted to because it was so steep. I didn't realize there were so many kind of bends and climbs, but yeah, it was a fantastic experience. That pretty much sums up our time in Veliko Tarnovo. We need to head back now to Blagovgrad, our town. Yeah, I'll probably talk to you guys when we're back in Blagovgrad or when we're on the way. We'll probably stop for some food or something along the way, but yeah, it's been a fantastic time and I'm really glad that I got to enjoy the holidays, the national holiday, the fireworks and the light show and how busy everything was, and really enjoy the culture properly, you know. So it was thanks to you guys if you're watching me from TikTok. Thanks to you guys commenting and let me know where to visit, because there were a lot of potential places we could have gone.